Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Ford Explorer Sport with EcoBoost. Ridiculously clean engine. I'll go ahead and drop this down, take it for a tour. It does have a metal flake and the gray paint. Alloy wheels. Dual exhaust. These back rows will fold down or stow. So they are very, very cool. Tell this to close. Does have a luggage rack that runs the length of the vehicle. Turn signal indicators in the mirrors. Does have a black leather interior with red stitching. Additional power supply and climate control there in the back. There's your keypad, driver controls, and your VIN. And your driver seat controls. You see that you have 10,529 miles on this vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and turn this down. From here, you have your audio. Obviously, there was your maps. There's your audio. For your sources, you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD, and Bluetooth. Here's your climate. You do have the heated seats in the front as well. There, if you connect to your phone, and we talked about navigation. Here's the reverse backup camera. Okay. Also, here are your additional power supplies, cup holder, shifter, and terrain selector. And of course you have overhead lighting and such up above. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact in the front that the damage turned out to just be cosmetic, and so we were able to get it all fixed up. It has passed our 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. We do have a number of SUVs here on the lot. So for more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.